Hi guys, it's Lloyd Buffs here. Here I'm wearing a face shield, and it's to protect. Even though we're now on level 2, we don't have to drop our guard. Protection is still needed. We still need to sanitize our hands, sanitize everything, wash our hands, and all those measures that were in place in level 5 still be in level 2, because the Minister of Health said the surge can actually spike now that the economy has been opened. So we don't want to risk it spiking again, so we still need to protect ourselves. Now, back to my concern. Schools are going to be open as well. Now, schools, they don't have protection like this. They don't have face shields. They can hardly afford a mask like this. So how do we then ensure that protection is still there at the schools with our kids? We're going to make one of these face shields at home. It's a DIY. You can do it at home with the things that you have, and we can make sure that our kids are safe there at the schools there. Okay, just like one of my videos there on top, talking about these cubicles at the schools can also look into that, and you as a parent can ensure that your kid has a face shield that you have made yourself at home. And it can be a DIY project with the kid in mind, and you can actually incorporate the kid to help you with that, so that he takes care of it, and because he is involved in the process as well. So guys, keep it locked, and I'll show you what you need to do, what you can do, how you can do it in order for you to make a face shield at home. This is the face shield that we're talking about, and these things, this is the cheapest of them all that you can buy. Even though it's cheap, people cannot really afford bread to give to the kids, so we can't expect them to buy this. And even if they do buy this, this is not durable. 1-2 days, less than a week, it's broken, and the parent needs to buy another one. So I have a solution for this, and the parents can actually make this thing at home, and this is how they can do that. Okay guys, if you remember on our cubicles, we used clear vinyl like this. This is plastic, this is strong, thick plastic that we used to cover the sides of the cubicles. Now, we have this left over, and if you know me, I don't waste anything. I recycle and recycle and recycle. So now, with this vinyl, you can make face shield. You can actually look for anything that is transparent, that is flexible, and you can actually use it to make your face shield. All you need is a hat, and I know your child has a hat somewhere laying around, an old hat. Now, with an old hat like this, you can make a face shield like this, either with a sewing machine or with a needle and thread, hand stitched. This is very, very simple, and you can easily do that. Now, all you need is just cut a rectangle shape, and that's it. If you can actually stitch it with material just to protect it from tearing, but if you can't, you can simply put it like that. It's very strong, it's very durable. And once you do that, then you can simply stitch it from there. Just make sure it's about 20 to 30 centimeters, depending with the child's age and how big the head is. Now, the advantage of this thing is it doesn't strain your child on the head, on the ears, or anything else, because this is just like he's wearing a normal hat, and this is just there to protect him. And as a visor, this is very, very good. This is very cool, and it will be free, and your child will be protected. And in this level, you can't expect the child to be wearing a mask all day. A mask, I can't even wear a mask the whole day, so I can't expect children to wear a mask the whole day. So this is the better alternative. Level 2 doesn't mean your child now has to catch corona, because I know a surge is about to come again, because people are going to be careless, and alcohol is actually allowed. Everything is open, the economy is open, and the surge is actually going to spike. Now, with your child protected like this will be very, very good for them, and it's not going to cost you any cent. All you need to do is just get this, make sure you get this vinyl, and once you have this vinyl, hand stitch it if you can with a needle and thread. That's it, and you are done. Your child is protected and everything is good. So guys, I encourage you to do this. This is very, very good. This will be actually very good protection for you for very cheap. So guys, I love this thing. I love this thing. I made this thing, and it's not perfect. It's never meant to be perfect, but it's meant to protect your child. As long as your child is protected, kudos to you. Happy parenting.